You can't test me for being a failure. But in the morning, I want to say again to Grand Spend community, please, me I beg the item with a deep concern in my heart. We don't know what's going on with that Jahshii something there. We don't know what's going on with that Romy something there. We don't know what's going on, but we see the splash will take place in the paper and the media the other day. If you work me days in a jail yard, me set tunnel vision and me no change that. Man, I can't hold down them rain, yeah. And my sister Minister Marian Hall in a fully reverse without no apology. Cause she's a public liar. Cause remember, you know, me know say she a liar. Me not trick myself in front of myself. You understand me? And how you go there on a public platform and say come kiss out my Bible? That means you throw a word for somebody. So I watch you cleanly, me not say nothing to you. You make scatter them program you. Program you know. You want to do a song with Chensia. Chensia way a fully demon.
Yes, so what go on, my people? Respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, bless up on yourself. And from on see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the menu today. Yeah, and today we're forward to talk about Jahshii breaking his silence and just letting his enemies know that small-minded people can't get him out no day, no time. Also, you know, say basically Queen Ifrica is sending a message to Grand Spend and making them know, say, yo, them for protect Jahshii and them for quash this thing by any means necessary, and she just a beg for the peace in the community against ones and ones. You see me I say. Also in other news, G British is blasting Lady Sir and make sure know say she a go back way at the end of the day and she's a public liar. But here what people, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like, yeah, and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do it thing already. We are going to just jump in at the intro and forward right back. So no don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
People, make we kick it off like this. So we see where in which Jahshii preview his new song. And in that song the people, Jahshii make the people them know say at the end of the day, him way too smart for him haters them get him out. You see me? And basically him make them know say yo, not know where them try, them can't get him out. Because at the end of the day, him have a praying mother and him is a praying youth also. And him also make the people them know say watch out, small-minded people can't get him out. So no matter what you try and no matter what you do, you not go ever get him out. Because at the end of the day, him covered by God himself. You see me I say, so you don't know, big up Jahshii for that tune here. Because me I telling you say people, the tune hot. You see me? Although this is just the preview, him not release the full thing yet. So when him release it, yeah, we are going to give you the updates on that. But here I want you to do, I want you to check out the video for yourself and tell me what you think about what Jahshii really is saying in the video. You see me I say, because at the end of the day, you know, you don't know say Jahshii situation right now is kind of, yeah, it's set away people. You see me I say, so Jahshii just send a message to them and I make them know say, yo, watch you know, anything you want to try, you can't get me out. Because at the end of the day, you don't know. From we say God and a God we are walk with, a God a cover with. And there is nothing we can beat the power of God people. You see me I say, but anyways, here one, I'm not going to chat out the thing, just check out the video.
Haters, you can't test me for being a failure. If you work me days in a jail yard, me set tunnel vision and me no change that. So me stay focused on the paper. From studio tour bus to the aircraft. Can't tell me last, me see me neighbors. Still no one no milk in the mailbox. Man, I can't hold down them brain, yeah. Never come.
Yes, some people you hear that. Yeah, the artist say, yo, him stay focused on him paper. Him not meditate them, him not met them. All he want to do is get great and be great in this dancehall thing. You see me I say, and you don't know, this is a welcome part tune, people. Yeah, and I like how it sound, I like the melodies and flow in the tune itself. You see me I say, and you don't know from when you hear it, you know say it is going to be a hit. You see me I say, but anyways, as well I said before, just tell me what you think about about all of this down into the comment section. And yeah, big up Jahshii to set speed. You don't know you 3 eyes out upon the enemy them, cause at the end of the day, you know, say you're a great artist. You see me, I say whole heap of potential there, and you have whole heap of greatness for get where you not get yet. You see me? So don't ever make the haters them get you out. You understand what I mean? So here what people coming up in this other news today. Well, basically Queen Ifrica is sending a message to Grand Spen, and I make them know say watch you no need to protect Jahshii and quash all of this thing we are going. She said basically she don't know what we're going with Romy and with Pokey, but at the end of the day the Grand Spen people them know that, and she beg them say between ones and ones for just calm down the crime in the garrison, because at the end of the day she no want to see Grand Spen blow up in a beer war. You see me I say, and you don't know how Queen Ifrica do her thing already. You don't know she's the messenger. You see me I say, enough people find her delivery say it is kind of aggressive, even in the between she and Lady Sir and Spice. But you don't know real talk is always reality mama chat. You see me I say, but here are people who want to check out what Queen Ifrica say, and also tell me what you think about all of it down into the comment section. Yeah man, make we discuss it man. Tell me what you really think about all of this. You see me? So here what, check out the video.
So in the morning I want to say again to Grand Spen community, please, me I beg the eye them with a deep concern in my heart to keep the peace. We don't know what's going on with that Jahshii something there. We don't know what's going on with that Romy something there. We don't know what's going on, but we see the splash will take place in the paper and the media the other day. Some of we even lend with voice and ask for the peace. We still do that. We see we're going with Jahshii vehicle and the whole heap of people were injured. Jamaican people are we alone have to solve with problems them only want we go against one another so that they can find an excuse for kill we out. All of the dance them, all of the leaders them, and the communities them, we are feud, make we take a different approach to how we deal with disputes and we arguments and we divide and the quarrels what we have, make we find a different way, Jamaican black people, to deal with things. We not defend no one in no wrongs, we not defend wrongs. We defend peace and unity and working out things. That's we can all have a good solution, Jamaican people. We don't want no war start a Grand Spen. We don't want no war start a Grand Spen start. We want the war for done in our communities them in Jamaica. Please, please, somehow we they are beg for we one another. We are beg for no, we are beg for Jamaica. We are beg for we culture. Peace, unity. We know it rough, we know it hard, we know it sometimes. Me saying this, I wanna say I want to your queen, which bumbuckler unity, but trust me no man. We can't continue to do this to one another star, no matter what the situation is. Make we come together and reason it out, man. And stop kill off for one another and shoot off for one another, man. Because that's all them want. We do kill each other, man. Grand Spen, wallet, man. Wallet. You see me? Ja.
Yes, so right now people are bare facts Mama Queen Ifrica a spit right as you see me. And basically she make the Grand Spen community and the youths them overall know say watch you know at them thing are the bigger heads them want to see. You see me, them just want to we slip up for blame for something for get we out. You see me I say, and she make the people them know say watch you know who know have to know say at the end of the day crime no pay. You see me, and what she a spit right now is just peace. And basically the youth them for just have peace, love and unity between between ones and ones, you see me? So basically everything where Queen Ifrica say right, I say right now, me not tell no lie, me agree. And me hope the youth them a listen to say the way, because as what she say, you should don't know say yo, enough of them are gonna hear this and enough of them are gonna say at the end of the day say Queen Ifrica don't really know what she talk about and understand. But you don't know, gone are the days when ones and ones will listen to reasoning and know say and acknowledge when them wrong, you see me? So at the end of the day, them think they really cause the problem in the country, you see me? I say, and she beg them say basically if you just take care of Jahshii, you see me? I say this thing no need for escalate, and she beg with her every heart, you see me? Fit Jahshii just the same, you see me? Yes, so as what I said before, people, me just want to tell me what you think down into the comment section about everything with Queen Ifrica say right, so because basically to me, as what I said before, I fully facts mama speak, you see me? I say, but coming up in this other news, well, Mr. G British attack Lady Sa, and basically he must say yo, Mama Sa go backward in her thing, Mama Sa now go forward in a Christ, and he must say at the end of the day say Mama Sa is a big public liar than him can prove that. I don't know people, but I want to know, watch the video for yourself and tell me what you really think, because right so him a blast Mama Sa, because he must say how come Mama Sa Christian and I tell people say yo, you come kiss out her Bible, and him basically I said that come like she a throw a word upon somebody him don't know if a spice or a Queen Ifrica, and as a Christian him a say Mama Sa enough you do them thing there, you see me I say, but here what people, me just want uno tell me what uno think about all of this. So here what, me I go just make uno check out the video now and uno can draw uno own conclusion about everything we go on, so check it out.
And my sister Minister Marian Hall in a fully reverse without no apology. You see me publicly speaking. I want to share that video here, because I want she be here, because she's a public liar. Because remember, you know, me know say she a liar. Me not trick myself in front of myself. You see me? Me have that as a proof. A scrubber dub. You understand me? Before she got turned Minister Marian Hall. You understand me? And how you go there on a public platform and say come kiss out my Bible? That means you throw a word for somebody. So I watch you cleanly, I not say nothing to you. You make scatter them program you. Program you, you know. You want to do a song with Chensia. Chensia way a fully demon. Without no apology, because remember, you know, me don't need no friend from nobody. You see me? Me respect all journalists. As what them call them bloggers. Me, Mr. G British, call them digital journalists like Sky TV, Rice TV, you see me, and In the Box TV, and Rick. Because Rick was one of the man where continue posting my content. So me, Mr. G British, salute Rick. You understand me? Voice Cartel are my artist. Me about 9 days bonfire for Voice Cartel. Voice Cartel help every man in the business. The agent them, our management team, give them strength. I mean, never see none of the man them with Voice Cartel team, management team give strength. Reach out to Voice Cartel publicly. You see me? Man like me not get nothing from them things. I do them things from my heart. I me say alkaline heart in heart. Me and none of them man they no grow up, me no know them. That's how a town man would tell countryman. Publicly speaking. You see me? Because remember when we are talking to do apology, you know. You see me? As what me say, Marian Hall in a fully reverse. So me not go trick myself in front of myself. Voice Cartel are my artist, and he hard and in the behind the bars. So if another young artist come with hard, me I go say they hard. Me I no gatekeeper like some boy. I mean I call some boy name. Because they done in a park already without no apology. Me, Mr. G British, said that publicly.
So now, my people, I want to really tell me what you think about what Mr. G British really has to write. Because basically, in some part of him kind of have a little point. You see me, I say, because at the end of the day, he must say, yo, the kiss where Lady Star tell them to come kiss out her Bible. It sounds like Lady Star want to tell them to come kiss out something else, but she just use it in a different way, basically. But as when me I say about all of this Christian thing, you see me I say, well you don't know if you be a Christian, it don't really restrict you from certain things. Now people feel like say at the end of the day, if you're a Christian, you must be a saint and make people walk over you. But if you remember say at the end of the day, Jesus come here to pave the way and to show we how to move in a Christianity. You see me I say, I want to know also remember say Jesus is going to the temple and see the people them a gamble and turn over a whole light table and mash up the temple. You understand what I mean? So basically you can't use that for mark nothing, because God is also a God of war and a God of peace. You see me I say, at the end of the day, I know nothing if ladies are portray herself that way. You see me I say, if I saw she feel to let out her anger, because at the end of the day all of we are human beings and all of we are feeling, and different people react to different situations in a different way. You see me I say, my people? But basically, at the end of the day, where G British I say, G British really I say, yo, that don't really look right in a film eyes, you see me? And you don't know that is film opinion, others may share different, you see me? But people, tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. Also, him also hit some other topics where basically him say, yo, Vybz Kartel and him done. Vybz Kartel a film artist and him burn 9-day fire for Vybz Kartel, but him also say Vybz Kartel and him team, in camp, etc., manager, etc., help a lot of people. And when Vybz Kartel in the trouble, him never see none of them come forward and say, yo, big up Vybz Kartel or etc., etc. You see me I say? And at the end of the day, him also show you say, watch you know, if him rate Alkaline, him a go talk say him rate Alkaline. Regardless I say him rate Vybz Kartel. You see me I say? And him a say right now, if a new artist was to bust and him rate him a go talk say the artist bad, because at the end of the day, him no follow the bandwagon thing. You see me I say? But people, as what I said before, just tell me what you think about all of this way you see in a video. You see me I say, yeah man, just share your opinions and drop your thoughts down in the comment section and make we discuss it. Make we have a real conversation about this. What you think about Mumasa and this whole Christianity thing and how she perform. What do you see me I say? And also make me know what you think about where Queen Ifrica say. Yeah, make me know what you think about Jahshii tune too, because a bad piece of song, we all know that people. But anyways, you don't know, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, yeah, just subscribe to the channel right now and click the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I post any new content. Also, give this video a like, yeah, and share up the video so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do everything over here, you see me? Peace, love, unity, bless, I'm out.